Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the new subscribers. So I've been showing you guys a little bit more of what I'm used to. Uh, Not so calmly trading right now. I saw an opening, I took it, and I went for it. I added with the add button here. I started with 1%. I added another percent because I saw it was going in the good direction. And if I see this here and the liquidator indicator, we see that we are good to go. So all I need to do is wait for my chance for this guy here. So please, bow licky. And that's where it came from, guys. Now I remember it's from the Pirates of the Caribbean. That's man chest. A sentence I always liked. I do not know the context of it. I think it's some kind of war language to get somebody because they're just running away. But I am running towards this guy. I sorry, I don't know who you are, but seems it maybe is like you made a bad choice. I hope with the addition I made, I didn't make a bad choice because everything lowered again. Otherwise, this would be 20% instead of just the 10 right now. But everything looks like it's going into be my favor. Like you can see, guys, I made some nice profits. Close short after a few open closes. I opened the short, closed the short, opened a short, added a short, and I added again. Yesterday this was a trade of 5%, to be honest. I saw some opportunity and I just had to take it. We're at a new all-time high for the third day in a row. I am winning. Let's keep the winning streak and pray it will keep continuing. But like I'm telling you guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular Joe. I was truck driver before. Now I'm in school for coding, although I can code with the code pair AI. I use Claude for this mostly. If it's not so hard while coding, I use ChatGPT 4.1. Seems one of the better models of ChatGPT for coding little stuff, not big stuff, because it's still a language model, but it's handy for just pinpointing a few problems, but not whole scripts. I've been thinking about the question that was asked, maybe to start trading bots training. It's there in the future, but you'll have to be patient. I still have to redo a few things in my project, not the trading bot, but I have to make a copy of it so I can show you guys how to code it, and you can code along with me then. Like I started out with the creator of this app, MoonDev. So again, watch the training. It's not optional. Step 2, join the Discord channel where we discuss lots of things. If you want to create something like I did here, the liquidator indicator or everything that's behind it, read the hyperliquid data layer docs on moondev.com docs, and the other side is moondev.com Quant App. But now back to this, because we did already make a troublesome fall here, um, but I do not think it's juiced out. I do believe it can go up until this point for sure as a new sign of range. Don't mind the red, because well, actually I will change it afterwards, because it seems like a range, this one. I am resetting them a little bit, but red now means this is what I expect, but that was before, so I have to reset it. 50, 65, 596, 65, 956. Oh, we're over it. Well, 50 is also good, approximately. So this is the point we need to reach. 65. Oh, sorry. 5. Thought so. The room was very, very small. 596. A little bit lower. Voila. No, a little bit higher. Doesn't matter anyway, but I like it to be little bit correct. So I have a view of what to expect, where it needs to be for my profits. But as you can see, guys, this is a very juicy one, and we need to reach this point for sure. So that's still 2.9, 3.0 percentage away. So it probably will go up again, will go down again, up, down, until it reaches that point. Because with what is going on in the world, I think investors will lose confidence and probably will make decisions for their own economically then. Let's take another look here. Okay, everything is still running. For certainty, I want to restart it because I changed my VPN. And then sometimes you need to restart it to get fresh data. Don't mind it, it's a startup thingy that it's still the same. We have some juicy ones here. Which one are you? This one and this one. But further it's all here, but okay. So I'm still rooting for this side to go down, down, down. So yeah, that's how I do my Sunday trading, guys. It's Sunday again, and as you saw in one of my previous videos, I love to trade on Sunday. It's a little bit more calm, although sometimes a little bit more volatile, but let's keep it real, guys. It's still below the volatility index line, so that is good also. We're heading downwards in the MACD, below the and the negative side or the bearish side, and the MACD here, it shows bearish also. So for me, I am thinking to maybe have made a right decision, But we'll have to wait. We'll just have to wait. I think next time it will be better if I make a video while while I'm almost winning. Here I wanted to show you guys that not every day is the same for me. You see, during weeks in school time I trade less, more certain. The weekend starts. I had when I see possibilities, I use 5% when I see possibilities. So every day is another day. Not all days are the same. But for me, Sunday trading, I love it. And I hope it doesn't bite me in my tushy, because I don't want to lose my profits I made so far. And if I can keep it up, then this will be trade number 5, I think, or 4. That's in a win streak. So that's how you gotta do it, guys. I don't give financial advice, but I can only tell you what I do, and it works for me. Just gradually scale up. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, because if you lose all your eggs in that one basket, it's gone, and those eggs will not return unless you put new eggs in it and maybe win. But I do my way, smart position sizing. Yeah, that's just the way to go for me. It's like my trading bot now, doing quite alright. Made a loss here, so I already lost 95 cents, but still I'm holding on. As you can see, I'm trading away, and this trade now is with a 3% leverage of 3 because of where it is. Sorry, so here we have to look at ENA. Because the win rate is 56%, it chooses only this win according to the win rate and volatility and everything. The RL that's behind it, it's all set to make those decisions. That's how easy it gets when you are building. You start off with building just one bot. I showed you my journey, guys. Keep it simple at first, make a backtest. If the backtest is good, then you can start building out the bot. When the bot performs, only put $100 in it. Don't overtrade directly. Don't be overconfident, because backtest can still backfire on you. Look at the example here. It's not backfiring actually. If you can see this, Linea 35% win rate, while during backtesting that was a lot higher, but it's backtested on 2 years or 3 years of data. So to even get close to that win rate, I would have to set my bot true and let it run for at least the same amount of days and years, because then I will be really sure if it performs good or bad. This will get into scope when it rises some more. Then this one will get into scope 0.5, then this one will get into scope as well. But for now it's only 3 million in scope. But we do have some gaps in between, 2.2, 2.6. And that's always dangerous when the gaps are there. But still, I do believe the exchange is hunting for this one. It's only an idea. And if you look at the indicators, this indicator, then I could be right. Here, the ML was telling me a different story. Oh, no, sorry. Um, yeah, actually, it is kind of telling me here to watch out because we could be in a reversal with a breaking point, a center, but I cannot trust this ML because it's an old implementation of the previous liquidator indicator package, which was a little bit off. Currently still testing the signals and running a backtest too. I can bring it to screen. Should be there. But why aren't you? Yep. So as you can see, guys, I'm still currently testing, backtest sweeper, trying to find me the best possible leverage. It's always using my premium analysis. It's testing on every kind of leverage. It's testing on the 15-minute time frame, or other time frames. So it is quite a doozy sometimes, because as you can see, broker canceled the relative size order due to insufficient margin, which is better said, you lost, or your wallet went down, because I am currently running this on the $500 I have in my wallet. I want to see if it is feasible, because that's the way I backtest, guys. I don't always test on a full wallet. I do need a little bit assurance that with the wallet I have, that there are possibilities. If not, I will have to retest it. I will have to rethink how I can better myself, better the strategy. I still hope for the 40x leverage to keep you. I'm not. It's not because I'm testing other leverages that I will use them, but I will keep using the 40x. But I like to see more tests than only one. That's why I'm always biting in myself, to pushing myself to, yeah, test more. And that's why I also created the Nexus BT system, so you can test anything you want, anything you like. So if you want the liquidator indicator or the backtesting system, this is the place to go. Description is below in the links. So yeah, this is how I do my Sunday trading. First went to the baker's, first little bit of eating together with my dog, and then start the day after a few hours of sleep. But that's when you're a developer, guys. I think lots of you will concur with this. Sometimes you have days you can sleep out, and sometimes you have days you just have to go for it and work. And I'm used to it. So I was a truck driver before, 15 years. I did about 13 to 15 hours a day, and then you're not home. You're still in your truck, so you have to head home, and it's to see where you live. Do you live a half an hour away from the place or an hour away? So you have to count that extra. But I was a international truck driver, so mostly the times I was in my truck, sleeping out, earning some more money because you get paid when you sleep in your truck here in Belgium. But then, yeah, you leave everything behind at home to make those few extra bucks. But that's life. That's finished for the last 2 years right now. Last work was road construction. I managed the. I don't know if you guys have this. I do think the flashing speed flashers. You see beside the road. I maintained the systems. It had to be 100% correct, or else people could say, yeah, but I think this is off, and yeah. Then of course they can complain to the courts. That's why I'm very good in building things, because I do see all details, and this is very important, guys. If you're building a thing, keep an eye on it until you're 100% sure. It's like I say about the Nexus 3.0 bot. It runs through 24/7, but I still keep watch on it. I know it runs, I know it performs good, so I don't have to bother uh, coding it some more unless I have another idea, and I have to wait for others to trade, because as long as these guys here, 0 trades, 2 trades, 1 trade, 2 trades, is not enough to activate the RL. Here we have also a few slower ones. Cas. This one is traded yesterday, I think. Cas. It ended up in a loss or a profit. I do not know anymore. I'll have to watch the RL performance dashboard then. That's very easy, guys. Here, it ended up in a loss 3 times. I lost 30 cents. So you see, guys, I know what I'm talking about. Even though it's running and I don't look at it, I still look at it sometimes just to see how it performs, what it's doing, which coins it's using to trade on. And I have to say, Linea for me is one of the best ones yet. It trades the most on it. So I hope you guys learned something, or a little bit at least, of my Sunday trading today. I cannot show you very much, but I won't take your time when it's not needed. So I started out here, added here, and added some more to see the ride, because I just have to join when I see this much difference between the two sides. And I see the liquidator indicator. Okay, it has gaps, as you can see from the list also. It has gaps, but there still are some juicy block here, more juicy little blocks in between, who are a little bit more juicy than these ones. So I had to dive in, had to take my chance, but only with a 1%, add 1%, because I was not too sure. Short, yeah. But why is it saying that I opened 3 times? That's kind of silly. Oh no, I know it. I know it. I opened the short here and it closed in the same candle. It's like this, and this is the latest trade. So yeah, guys, I hope you root for me. I hope you also get your own trades in order, and I hope you also reach your goal that you set for yourself. And keep in mind, always keep your risk settings good, because otherwise, if you accidentally click this one, or if you see something goes wrong and you push the add button, then it's not what you want. So yeah, keep trading safe, boys and girls. and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye.